Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design a circular Swirl logo in Affinity. So let's get started. I've already got my new document here. Now I'm going to grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle. I'm gonna change the width to 800 pixel and height to 800 pixel as well. Next I'm going to change the fill color to none, leave the stroke to black, and change the stroke width to 1 point. I'll grab the move tool and move it to center. Now I'm gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. I'll change the width and height to 600 pixel and I'm gonna drag it until its left edge touches the left edge of the bigger circle. I'll duplicate the smaller circle now by pressing Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. I'll drag it until its right edge touches the right edge of the bigger circle. Then I'll duplicate it again, and now I'll drag it upward until the top edge touches the top edge of the bigger one. I'll duplicate another one and move it downward until the bottom edge touches the bottom edge of the bigger circle. Next, I'm gonna select all, grab the Shape Builder tool, and make sure Action on the context toolbar is set to plus. Now I'll click and drag to merge these sections. Click and drag again to merge these sections, then these sections, and also these sections. From here, with all of them still selected, I'll go to the color panel, change their fill colors to black and stroke colors to none. After that, I'm gonna grab the contour tool, and right here at the context toolbar, I'm gonna change the radius to -20 pixel. Alright, now we can see the circular shapes. I'm gonna select the move tool and delete these shapes from the center. Next, I'll select this shape and change the color to red. Select this one and change the color to yellow. Then this one to green. This green looks better. And now I'll change this shape to blue. And our circular Swirl logo is done. We can still do more by adding a shadow. To do this, I'll press Ctrl A to select all, group them, then I'll go to Layer Effects right here. And I'll select Auto Shadow. I'll slide the radius to the right, the offset as well, and also the intensity. I'll fix the radius to 25 pixel, offset to 15 pixel, and intensity to 40%. And I'll click close. So that's it. Our circular Swirl logo is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!